Hi, Michael Dresdner here to talk about using GluBoost Fill and Finish for faceplate turning. We'll be filling a shallow open pore bowl while it's still mounted on the lathe. This bowl is made from extremely porous Philippine mahogany, so we are starting with thick fill and finish to fill the pores. With the lathe running at its slowest speed, apply the fill and finish either directly onto the wood or onto an application pad. Spread it evenly, adding more fill and finish as needed. When it looks uniform, cure it with a light spray of GluDry. Because this wood has so many deep pores, we'll sand it lightly with 320 grit paper and add a second application as before, this time using thin fill and finish. Do the inside of the bowl the same way. We've chosen a very shallow bowl to make it easier to see what we're doing.